ever since Steven installed this air conditioner, I have said for a brand new air conditioner, I don't feel like it puts out as much air as it should. It only has 2 outputs. There should be a lot of air coming out of it. But if you open any of these cabinets, they're freezing inside there. If you open this area behind the seats, that was freezing. So I just put all this insulation around the pipes. I kind of felt like, oh, if we insulate the pipes, it'll help keep the air from going in there, right? But it just took the seat off. Watch this. So I took the seat off so I can get down in here. And I can't really get down in here because I can't get the seat all the way off. But, can you see that? That's a gaping hole with all of our cold air is coming out. There's a gaping huge hole down there that somehow Steven missed because the outtake pipes or whatever are crap and need to be replaced. So I guess that's next on the list. But for now, I'm fixing to fix this so we can cool the boat off a lot better than what we have been. And I'm going to insulate the pipes because these pipes have no insulation. I added this insulation just now. Anyway, projects. That's what I'm doing. First of all, don't look at me. I'm a mess, and I know I'm a mess. I haven't done jack squat with my hair since I got here, and I seem to have lost the thing that was holding it back. So now it's not only is it a mess, but it's in my face. But it's okay. Y'all don't look at it. This is bow life. Who cares what my hair looks like? But anyway, I patched up the duct that was coming out of the air conditioner, and I know people are going to be saying, so before you say it, that I should have replaced those ducts. I'm aware of that. If you're not aware, before you say that, just know that when you buy, especially a used boat, and you do upgrades, your bank account kind of bleeds. And so today, plus, not only does your bank account bleed, but you have so many things to do that it becomes impossible to do them all. So for today, I used some insulation stuff that we already had, which my intent, I didn't go down there looking for a hole in the ducts. I went in there with this insulation planning to wrap all the ducts to help insulate them, because instead of the boat getting cool on the inside, the cabins, you could open all the cabinets, and the inside, like the silverware that was in there was frosted over, like you could draw your name on it. So my thought was that if I insulated those ducts, that would help get the air out to where it belongs instead of in the cabinets. And that's when I found the big hole in the duct. At some point, when we don't have a water maker to install, which was what we're supposed to be doing today, what we are doing today, a dinghy to repair, solar panels and solar arches to put up, classes that we still need to take, the list is just long. At some point along there, and at some point when I feel like my bank account is hemorrhaging dollar bills out everywhere, I will go and find some ducting and we will replace it, but not today. What are you doing? What are we doing?
Taking a water tank out, or trying to.
So,
So we're going to put a water maker in.
I think I fixed the hole in the air duct.
Good.
I mean, I didn't fix it. I patched it like the biggest band-aid you ever seen in your life, but
works, it works.
It works for now. We do need to replace them, just not today. Yep, so anyway, there you go.